Do you understand English but struggle to speak it confidently? In the next few minutes, you'll hear a natural English conversation that can help you sound more fluent, speak more naturally, and build confidence in real-life situations.
Talking about taking a nap during the day. Hi, David. You look much more energetic this afternoon than you did this morning.
Thanks, Emma. I actually took a short nap during my lunch break, and it helped me feel refreshed and focused.
Really? I have always wondered whether taking a nap during the day is a good habit or not.
For me, it is very helpful because it gives my mind a chance to rest after several hours of work.
How long was your nap today?
It was only about 20 minutes, but it made a big difference in how I felt afterward.
That sounds nice, because I often feel sleepy after lunch and struggle to stay awake.
A short nap can be a great solution when you feel tired in the middle of the day.
Do you take naps every day, or only when you are extremely tired?
I usually take a nap 2 or 3 times a week, whenever my schedule allows it.
I rarely take naps because I'm afraid they might affect my sleep at night.
That can happen if the nap is too long or taken too late in the afternoon.
So, what is the ideal length for a daytime nap?
Many people recommend a nap of about 15 to 30 minutes to avoid feeling groggy.
I have heard people talk about feeling sleepy even after they wake up from a nap.
Yes, that feeling is called sleep inertia, and it often happens when someone sleeps too long.
That explains why I once took a 2-hour nap and felt even more tired afterward.
Exactly. Long naps can sometimes make you feel confused and less productive.
Where do you usually take your naps during the day?
If I am at home, I nap on my bed. But at work, I usually rest in a quiet room.
It must be difficult to find a quiet place to sleep during the day.
Sometimes it is, but I use earphones and relaxing music to block out noise.
That is a smart idea, because noise can make it hard to relax.
Yes, a calm environment helps me fall asleep much faster.
Do you set an alarm before taking a nap?
Absolutely, because I do not want to oversleep and miss important tasks.
I think that is one reason I avoid naps, because I worry about sleeping too long.
Setting an alarm can solve that problem and help you wake up on time.
Do you notice any benefits besides feeling less tired?
Yes, I often feel more creative and better able to concentrate after a short nap.
That sounds useful, especially when working on difficult projects.
It definitely helps me stay productive during busy afternoons.
My afternoons are usually when my energy level drops the most.
Then a short nap might help you recharge and finish your work more efficiently.
I think I should give it a try sometime this week.
You should, but remember to keep the nap short and avoid sleeping too late.
What time do you usually take your daytime nap?
I normally take one between 1 and 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
That seems like a good time, because it is shortly after lunch.
Yes, many people naturally feel a little sleepy during that period of the day.
Do you drink coffee before taking a nap?
Sometimes I do, because a small amount of caffeine can help me feel alert when I wake up.
That is interesting, because I thought coffee and naps did not go together.
It may sound strange, but some people find it very effective.
I learn something new every day when we talk about health habits.
Healthy habits can make a big difference in our daily lives and overall well-being.
My goal is to have more energy without relying on too much coffee.
Then a short nap could be a healthy alternative for boosting your energy.
I like the idea of resting naturally instead of drinking another cup of coffee.
Your body often knows when it needs a little extra rest during the day.
Have you always enjoyed taking naps?
Not really, but after experiencing the benefits, I started appreciating them more.
I used to think naps were only for children or older people.
Many adults take naps because they can improve mood, focus, and performance.
Now I understand why some successful people include naps in their daily routine.
Yes, a well-timed nap can be a simple but powerful habit.
Thank you for sharing your experience and helpful advice.
You are welcome, and I hope you find naps as beneficial as I do.
I will try taking a short nap tomorrow and see how it affects my energy level.
Great, and I look forward to hearing about your experience the next time we talk.